Planning a big Walmart haul but want to split the cost? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Klarna for both your online and in-store Walmart purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Walmart is a direct partner of Klarna, making it incredibly easy to get the flexibility you need for your grocery and essentials shopping. For online purchases, go to walmart.com and shop as usual. At checkout, simply select Klarna as your payment method. You'll be redirected to log into your Klarna account to confirm the pay in 4 terms before the order is finalized. For in-store purchases, you have 2 options. First, you can use the Klarna browser extension on walmart.com to generate a virtual card, then add that card to your Walmart Pay wallet in the Walmart app to scan at the register. The second, simpler method is to use your physical Klarna Visa card. Just swipe, tap, or insert the card at any Walmart checkout like any other debit or credit card. A crucial pro tip: for in-store purchases with the Klarna card, your transaction is subject to your available card limit, not a specific store approval. This makes it the most reliable way to use Klarna at physical Walmart locations. And just like that, you can manage your budget on everything from groceries to electronics at Walmart. It's a game changer for your shopping trips. Do you prefer using Klarna for online or in-store Walmart shopping? Share your experience in the comments. For a beauty haul, subscribe for our next video on how to use Klarna at Sephora. Thanks for watching.